morning, children. Today in English language, we shall continue with verbs, the present and the past tense of verb. Then we will also continue with the exercise related to verbs. A verb is a word that tells us what somebody or something does. In other words, a verb describes an action. Let us have a look at few verbs. Drive, flow, ring, fly, and to read are all examples of verbs. Now we must also remember that a verb also tells us the time of an action. That is, the action takes place at present or has already taken place in the past. Let us look at these sentences. The tap drips and the trap dripped yesterday. Can you identify the verbs in each of these sentences? In the sentence, the tap drips, the verb is drips. And drips refers to an action that occurs at present. So, it is said to be in the present tense. Now, children, there are certain verbs whose past tense is not formed by adding d or ed, but in a different way. This table shows some verbs. Let us begin. Stand or stands is present. Past is stood. Present, write or writes. Past, wrote. Present, teach, teaches. Past, taught. Present, read, reads. Past, read. Present, send or sends. Past, sent. Present, tell or tells. Past, told. Present, give or gives. Past, gave. Present, eat or eats. Past, ate. Present, go or goes. Past, went. Present, buy or buys. Past, bought. The same way, children, on page number 75, we have some present and past tense of verbs. Let us read them. Present, stand, stands. Past, stood. Present, think or thinks. Past, thought. Present, run or runs. Past, ran. Present, fight or fights. Past, fought. Present, teach or teaches. Past, taught. Present, meet or meets. Past, met. Present, read or reads. Past, read. Present, send or sends. Past, sent. Present, bend or bends. Past, bent. Present, lend, lends. Past, lent. Present, keep or keeps. Past, kept. Present, tell, tells. Past, told. Present, give or gives. Present, past, gave. Present, sell or sells. Past will be sold. Present, buy or buys. Past, bought. Present, eat or eats. Past, ate. Present, go or goes. Past, went. Present, say, says. Past, said. Present, mean or means. Past, meant. Present, tear or tears. Past, tore. Present, feed or feeds. Past, fed. Present, sleep or sleeps. Past, slept. Children, on the same page, on page number 75, we have rewrite this following sentences, changing the tense of the underlined verbs from the present to the past. I have done a few sentences for you. The rest you will do it yourselves. Number 1. Our teacher tells us to go out of the room in a line. The verb here is tells, which is in the present form. We need to change it into the past form. And the past tense of tells is told. So here we have told, and the sentence becomes, our teacher told us to go out of the room in a line. Similarly, I have done another one for you. My mother says that my sister always tells the truth. The verb here says and tells is in the present tense. We need to change into the past tense, and the past tense of says becomes said, and the past tense of tells becomes told. So the sentence we get here is, my mother said that my sister always told the truth. Next we have, I meet my friends after school to play football. Meet is the verb here, and the past tense of meet becomes met. So the sentence goes, I met my friends after school to play football. Who feeds his cat when he goes on a vacation? The verbs here are feeds and goes, which is in the present tense. The past tense of feeds becomes fed, and the past tense of goes becomes went. And thus we get a sentence, who fed his cat when he went on a vacation? There will be a question mark because it's a question. In the same way, we have the last sentence, Sana lends Neetu a pencil when Neetu forgets to bring her own. The verbs in the present tense here are lends and forgets. And the past tense of lend becomes lent, and the past tense of forgets becomes forgot. And we get a sentence, Sana lent Neetu a pencil when Neetu forgot to bring her own.